This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And yes, I am French, but I did spend quite a few years making Tempranillo wines in Spain as a winemaker. So I can definitely tell you how to say Tempranillo like the Spanish would do. So how do you go about pronouncing the name of the most famous of all Spanish red grapes that is used in the Rioja wine region to make the Rioja red wines, as well as in the Ribera del Duero and in many other regions of Spain like Castilla y León and Castilla-La Mancha and many other areas. So how do you go about pronouncing Tempranillo? Well, first temp and then pra-ni-yo. Tempranillo. The double L at the end is not necessarily pronounced as an L. Some would say Tempranillo, which is not incorrect, but most Spanish people would just say Tempranillo, 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 Tempranillo. If you can say the correct Spanish pronunciation, say Tempranillo. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Hasta luego. Bye-bye.